Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison of two countertop ice makers that promise to keep your drinks cool and refreshing. On one side, we have the Electactic Ice Makers, a budget-friendly option that produces bullet-shaped ice. On the other side, we have the Nugget Ice Maker, known for its chewable nugget ice that's perfect for cocktails and beverages. Let's see how they stack up against each other in terms of price, ice production, and ice type. The Electactic Ice Makers is priced at just $89, making it an affordable choice for those looking to enjoy homemade ice without breaking the bank. In contrast, the Nugget Ice Maker comes in at a higher price point of $199, reflecting its premium features and capabilities. While the Electactic offers great value for its price, the Nugget Ice Maker targets users who prioritize quality and performance over cost. When it comes to ice production, the Electactic Ice Makers can produce up to 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours, with 9 cubes ready in just 6 minutes. However, the Nugget Ice Maker outperforms it with a capacity of 35 pounds per day, making it ideal for larger gatherings or frequent use. This difference in production capacity could be a deciding factor for those who need a higher volume of ice. The type of ice produced is another significant difference. The Electactic Ice Makers produces bullet-shaped ice in 2 sizes, which is great for traditional uses. On the other hand, the Nugget Ice Maker creates chewable nugget ice, which is favored for its texture and slow melting properties, making it perfect for cocktails and soft drinks. Depending on your preference for ice type, this could greatly influence your choice. In conclusion, both the Electactic Ice Makers and the Nugget Ice Maker have their unique strengths. If you're looking for an affordable and portable option, the Electactic may be the way to go. However, if you prioritize higher ice production and the trendy Nugget Ice, the Nugget Ice Maker could be worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.